If you are a classic modern, you are what the majority of women in the world are. And so we've got Nadia with us today, and she is a true classic modern. Classic modern likes very classic pieces, pearls, nice silver jewelry, nice gold jewelry, things that are simple and elegant, yet taken up a notch from where our pure natural is. And so we're gonna start from the floor up and build you with your shoes. And so one of the things I'm gonna do for Nadia, and I want you to realize too, is that you can change a whole entire outfit and take it from day to night just by changing your shoes. So let's say that today Nadia has some work errands to run, or she's got house errands, but she's gonna be running around and she's gonna put her classic self together. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna start with these shoes. You'll notice that a classic modern has flats, and your flats may have just a regular leather look to them. Let me grab them. These were in her closet as well, just a nice flat. But you might have a pair of ballet flats that have the pointy toe and some sparkles like you do, or you might have just a cute ballet flat that has a little bow or something on it. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and add a layering piece to you. And so as a classic modern, you're gonna run around, but it's maybe, let's say it's a little cool out, so you wanna throw on a jacket. So I'm gonna give you this jacket that we also found in your closet. All right, so she probably has arms that are petite length. And so when you bought this jacket, it was long, right? Here's a no-no. I don't ever want to see you rolling a suit jacket up this way, because what it does is it cheapens the look of the jacket. So what I'm gonna have you do instead is we're actually gonna roll it under. All right, we're gonna roll it under, and we're gonna get it right to where your sleeve ends, just like this. Okay, we gotta go up a little bit further. This is great information for you to know. Or what you could do is, if you're gonna roll it up, or if you wanna push up your sleeves like this, you can do that, but you wanna tuck it under so it doesn't move. Then you can have your regular length, your regular hem length kind of right there. All right, so, but because this is a shorter jacket, you can have your longer sleeves, you see? So if you have a shorter jacket, so I'm just gonna move this to her, do this right like that. You can even take some fashion tape and tape them right up underneath that. All right, so your hem length, her hem length's at the right place. By the way, your sleeve length, when you go like this, it should end right at the top, kind of at the top middle part of your hand, just like this. We wanna stop it there. We don't want it any longer than that. All right, so here we are. We just got a little sewing lesson or something like that, right? All right, so she's got her classic jacket on, and now we're gonna add accessories. All right, so she's more on the petite side, so you don't want huge accessories. So just a nice necklace in more of a small to medium size is perfect for her. Now I'm gonna pick a hoop earring for you, and I'm gonna let you go ahead and put those in. So I'm gonna add, if you're gonna wear gold jewelry, which is what's in this necklace, then you definitely wanna wear a gold earring. All right, so here you go. We've got her dressed head to toe. Do you like rings? I do. Awesome, let's go ahead and put a ring on you. I like that one, so go ahead and put this on. And she's put together. She's got a really cute look, and it's a classic modern. Now what I'm gonna do, let's do a little turn on you. Just turn, do-do-do-do. Awesome, very cute. She could put many different layering pieces on with this outfit and create the same kind of look. All right, so now we're gonna take this outfit, because now you have date night, all right? So now, she like that. Okay, let's go. Let's just change the shoes. Go ahead and have a seat there. And I'm gonna hand you a pair of shoes that were in her closet. All right, and let's go ahead and put those on you. These are some hot looking shoes. All right, she's gonna come right here. And now all I'm changing on this outfit are the shoes and the necklace. So I'm gonna take this off of you. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick up a necklace that maybe has a little bit more of zinginess. You've got a pretty blue one in there we could use, but I'm going with the pearls because that's a classic look for our classic modern girl. Look at that. Completely changes the look, yet looks like a completely different outfit, and she's ready for date night. You look awesome. Let's do another turn. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Great, classic modern. All right, now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the jacket off. We're gonna put some different shoes on, and all I'm gonna do is change layering pieces. I'm gonna give her a scarf, and let's just watch what happens. You see, you can have your basic pieces in your wardrobe. It's all about the basic garments. So she has her top and her bottoms on. You have tops and bottoms in your wardrobe, I promise you. And if not, then you probably need to go shopping. But you all wear tops and bottoms, even if it's a skirt and a top instead of pants and a top. Or you might just wear dresses. The key to moving into the style personality, to putting it all together, is really understanding what add-ons to use. And so she's got awesome, cute little shoes that we put on her. So they're a basic, almost a menswear kind of footwear. And then I'm just gonna take this scarf and put it on you, and maybe even do this number, just like this, kind of focus around her face, and voila. She now has a new look. She can go out. If she wanted to add that blazer back on with it, she absolutely could. If she wanted to take this and wrap it this way to not have to deal with it, wrapping it around her neckline. But look how pretty that is. Classic piece. An animal print is considered a neutral. And so for a classic modern, it's a great fabric to have. So how are you feeling now?
I feel fantastic.
Feel fantastic, a little sassy in that leopard or zebra or whatever it is. So awesome. Thank you so much. Let's do another turn. Show them your turnabout, and classic modern right here.